Alright, here comes the train. Just saw a light down the... Yep, here it comes. Alright. Our first train of the day. We're here in downtown Bell Buckle. Time's around, let's see, time's around 10:20, I believe, in the morning. And we have our first train of the day coming. Just finished my crossing tour. And thank God I looked the second time, because I was about to leave and get a crossing tour down there, but here comes one. Alright. Our first train of the day. Sorry I haven't rail fanning in a little while. Just had some shit going on recently, but I'm back. I'm back to rail fanning. Yeah, you know, had a lot of stuff going on, so I haven't really had time to rail fan, but I'm finally back out on the rails, and we're already catching our first train of the day. We just got here like 3 minutes ago. Looks like a pretty slow mover, too. But yeah, hopefully it might be another one like we caught up there in Arrington. Hopefully it's another, I highly doubt it. But yeah. Actually, it looks like it's coming up pretty quickly. Yeah, actually, it is moving on pretty quickly, actually. Yeah, it's moving on pretty quickly, so... Damn box. Yeah. When it comes, I'll probably get up here whenever it comes, so I can get a, better look, or a better, what the fuck am I saying, a better view. Yeah, first train of the day. Time is around 11:20, I think. Oh yeah, it's coming up quickly. Yeah, this one's moving on. I'll wait till the crossing goes off so I don't get fucking obliterated by a truck. Yep. After this run to Fosterville, I highly doubt anything will be there because this train's coming. Yeah, it's a train. Ain't no work truck. Yeah, it's moving on. Actually been a while since I've been here at Bell Buckle. Oh yeah, it's coming up quick. Yeah, it's coming quickly. Oh damn. This train is moving on. The crossing should be ready to go off. Let me see. Oh damn. Let me see. Yep. Should be going off. Yeah. Right. First train of the day. Yeah, there goes crossing. Yeah, there goes crossing. This train is moving on. This train's flying. What's that, a coal train? wide angle over here. Here's the end. There it goes. 5%, guys.